everyone, this is Radhika Vasti and I'm currently pursuing BTech first year from AQTU Kanpur UP and I intern in Indian Zero as a student ambassador and I'm going to discuss about many more challenges with digital portfolio. And in today's digital era, we see many people applying for a job, present their CV, their certificates and their achievement and whatever they have. So Indian Zero has introduced a revolutionary platform for digital portfolio. And in digital portfolio you can create your portfolio in professional like manners like texting, editing, video, audio, file, documents, and the best part of in this digital folio you can access it anywhere, anytime, any place through any gadgets like phone, android phone, etc. And the here being your physical present you can show yourself. So Indian Zero help us many problems, many issues. So India Zero gives you the best opportunity to build your future as you want. You can upload here any type of data like file, documents, all informations, and the best thing is your every information, your every data will be safe and secure. You can share your every and each talent like skill, like knowledge. I recommend it to all. This is the amazing platform to learn something, to know something. So you have to join with Indian Zero. I am a get ready, future ready with Indian Zero. Are you? Thank very much.